What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-generate and post Reddit content by creating a simple automation in make.com. Let's get started. In Make, I've created a scenario that I've named auto-generate and post Reddit content to get the topic that would like to generate Reddit content and the subreddit that would like to post the content. We're going to capture the information using a type form. So in type form, I've created a form that I've renamed to Reddit content. This is the form that we're going to capture the email, the topic, and the subreddit that would like to post their content. Go ahead and create a form, and in this form add these fields. The first one that we'll add is what is your email. Then the other field that we're going to add is for the topic, where we're saying please provide the topic, idea, or short description of the content you'd like to share on Reddit. And here we're outlining a couple of examples. For example, you can say I want to post a guide on how to automate Twitter scraping with Amplify. That could be our topic. And then here we'll add the subreddit that would like to post the content. Now, to get our topic and subreddit via typeform, in Make, I'm going to search for typeform, and here we're going to use a watch response trigger. So you can see we have two watch responses triggers, one with acid only, the other one with instant and acid. The difference between the two is the one with instant, it instantly triggers after you submitted the form, but the one with acid only, you'll need to choose when you like to trigger the form. I'm going to choose the one with acid only since I would like to choose when I would like to trigger the form. Here I'm going to create my connection by clicking on add, then here name a connection and click on save, and then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you like to connect to Make, and after creating your connection, close it. Over here, come and choose your connection. I'm going to limit it to one. Then here I'm going to find our form, which is this form right here. Then I'm going to click on save. You can see it's asking me to choose where to start. You can choose to start from now, since a specific date, or choose manually. I'm going to choose start from now and click on save. Now in typeform, I'm going to click on share so we can grab the link of this form and fill in our topic and our subreddit. I'll copy the link to our form and open the link on a new tab. So here we're going to add our email address. For adding my email address, I'll click on OK. And here we'll add a topic. I'd like to generate a post on how to automate Reddit scraping with Amplify. Then here I'll click on OK. In the subreddit, you can see we'd like to post in the automation subreddit. Then click on submit and run this module only. Here, you can see we captured our email, topic, and the subreddit. After we've captured our topic and subreddit, we're going to delay for a few seconds, let's say 30 seconds. So then after delaying for 30 seconds, we can go ahead and now generate Reddit content from the topic we submitted right here in our form. To generate the Reddit content, we can use any AI tool. You can use Gemini, OpenAI, Claude, Perplexity, or any other AI tool. And in Gemini, I'm going to click on create a completion. Like we did with Typeform, you'll also need to create a connection right here between your Gemini account and Make by clicking on add, then here name your connection, and then from your add your API key right here. Click on save. To get your API key, just open this link on a new tab, and then you'll go ahead and create your API key, and then copy it and come and paste it right here. And with your API key, click on save, and your connection will be created. Since I had already created my connection, I'm going to close this and choose my connection right here. And then here we're going to choose our AI model. I'm going to choose the latest AI model, Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview. This is the latest AI model that we're using currently. And then here we're going to add a message and choose a role. The first role I'm going to choose is the model role. Message type I'm going to choose text and add the prompt for the model role over here. For the model role, the prompt could be on the lines of you're a viral Reddit post generator crafted to maximize engagement, upvotes, and discussion. Then here I'll add another item. For the role, I'm going to choose user role this time around and add the prompt for the user role over here. And then the prompt could be on the lines of write a viral Reddit post for this subreddit. So here we're adding the subreddit here, crafted to maximize engagement, upvotes, and discussion. Here's what the post should be about. And then here we're adding the topic. The post should start with a bold, attention-grabbing hook that makes readers stop scrolling. And then number two, we're telling the AI to tap into relatable emotions. For example, these emotions right here, to that subreddit. We're also telling the AI to pose a question, share a personal story, or present an unusual insight that sparks comments. We're also telling the AI to avoid sounding like a clickbait or self-promotion. We're also telling the AI, format the post in clear, skimmable paragraphs with short sentences for readability. And we're also telling the AI to output only the post, no explanations, intros, or setup, just title, post body. And then here we're outlining an example style. For example, the subreddits hot takes and popular but defensible opinions, wild but true personal experiences, thought-provoking what-if questions. The goal of this post should feel native to the subreddit, provoke thoughts, and drive meaningful interactions. With a clear call to comment or provoke responses naturally. And here I'm going to click on save. Yeah, I renamed this to Reddit post generator. And click on save right here. Now let us try to generate our Reddit post using this module. So to do that, yeah, I'll choose where to start and choose my previous submission instead of having to fill out our form one more time. Then here I'm going to click on save and run automation. Automation ran successfully. Here we captured our topic and our subreddit. Then we waited for a few seconds to generate our Reddit post using Gemini. Now when we click on results, we can see the post that is generated for us over here on how to scrape Reddit using Abify. This is a very engaging post. I love it. You can see now it's combining the title and the post together. Since we can now be able to output a JSON using Gemini, we can try to generate a title from our topic. So what I'll do here is I'll clone this module, bring it over here, I can auto align it. So now this one, I'll rename it to Reddit title generator. Then click on save. And now here I'll tweak and edit our prompt. Here's a prompt that we're going to use to generate our Reddit post titles. For the model role, the prompt is on the lines of, you're a viral Reddit title generator crafted to maximize engagement, upvote, and discussion. Prompt for the user roles is on the lines of, generate a viral Reddit post title for this subreddit crafted to maximize engagement, curiosity, and upvotes. The title should grab attention with a bold, intriguing, and controversial hook. Should also tap into emotions relevant to the subreddit. Should feel native to the subreddit and avoid clickbait or sounding promotional. Should be short, punchy, and make people want to click or comment. And here we're adding our topic. And then we're telling the AI to output only the Reddit title, no explanations, post body, just the title. And here I'm going to click on save. So now here, let us try to generate our title and our post. So to do that, I'll choose manually, choose our previous submission, choose this one here, then click on save, then run automation again. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here we captured our subreddit and the topic that we would like to generate Reddit content. We delay for 3 seconds, and then here, using Gemini, we generated our Reddit title. This is on the lines of, you're browsing Reddit, I'm querying it. Amplify automation guide. It's amazing. And using this module, we generated our Reddit post. And here you can see the comprehensive post that we generated using Gemini. It's also ending with a call to action. That's perfect. So now with our title and our post, we can proceed to post the content in Reddit. So that I'll search for Reddit, and here I'll click on submit a post. You need to also create a connection between your Reddit account and Make by clicking on add. And here rename your connection and click on save. And then on the new window that pops up, choose the account that you like to link to Make. Then your connection will be created. And then here we're going to add our title. And then here we're going to add our subreddit. Choose this subreddit for here. And then for the type, we're going to choose either, if we're posting a link post, text post, or an image post. You can choose the text post and add the post that we generated using Gemini. Then click on save. And here I rename this to Reddit post. Then click on save. Now we can proceed to send ourselves the title and the post via email for us to take a look at the Reddit post that we're going to post in the subreddit. So we can choose to notify ourselves either via email, Slack, Telegram, WhatsApp, or all these other tools. Since we collected our email address in our form, I'm going to choose email. So here I'll search for email. Then here I'll search for send an email module. Now before we send ourselves the email, the Reddit post, we can decide to add the post into a Google Docs file. So here I'll click on add. And then I'll search for Google Docs, and here I'll click on create a document. We can rename this to Reddit, then rename this to Reddit post. And click on save. You'll also need to create a connection between your Google Docs account and Make. Then here we're going to give it a name. You can give it our title. another content right here, which is a post. And here we're going to choose where we're going to store our document, which is in Google Drive, in my folder. Click on save. And now we can send ourselves the email. So here, the email address, we're going to grab my email address from my submission, add the subject line of the email. The subject line is on the lines of just published the ready post. It's live now. Content type, I'm going to choose plain text. And here I'm going to add the content of our email. And the content of this email could be on the lines of, hey, just created and posted this post. You can say this post on Reddit. Let me know what you think. And then here we can add the link of the post, which will be from this web view link. And then here I'm going to click on save. And then here I'll rename this to Reddit post email. And then here I'm going to click on save. Save automation works. Here I'm going to choose where to start and choose our previous submission, which is this submission right here, and click on save. Then I'll run automation. You can see the automation ran successfully. We captured our here we captured our email topic and the subreddit that we're posting our Reddit content. Then we delayed for 3 seconds. Then we generated a title for our post and the body of our post right here from our topic. Then we went ahead and posted the post in Reddit, in our subreddit. Then we added the post to a Google Docs file that we sent to ourselves via email. Now when I open the subreddit, the automation subreddit, you can see the content that we generated using our automation, our title, and here's the body of our post. It's already got 7 views here using the simple automation that we created right here in Make. So here I'll go ahead and delete this post. Click on yes, delete right here. And this is a notification that we're sending to ourselves via email. Let me know what you think. And then here the link to our Reddit post. So now I open it in a new tab. You can see the title of our post and the body of our post right here that we generated using the simple automation that we created right here in Make. Let us try testing automation one last time. To test automation, fill out our topic in our subreddit using our form. So I'll refresh our form right here. And here, I'll add my email, click on OK. Here we're going to add the topic. Here's the idea of the Reddit post that we'd like to generate, which is on the lines of looking to start a discussion on how to automate lead generation for an agency. And here I'm going to click on OK. The subreddit, you can say automation as the subreddit or any other subreddit. And then click on submit. Now here, I'm going to choose where to start, choose manually, choose my submission right here. They'll just submit it and click on run once. You can see that automation ran successfully. Here, we captured our email topic subreddit. We delayed for a few seconds to generate our title, Reddit content. Then we posted the content in Reddit. We also added the content in a Google Docs file that we're sending to ourselves via email. Now, when I open the automation subreddit and click over here, you can see the post that we just generated and posted in this subreddit. This is our title. This is the body of the post. When you come over here, you can see the title and the post over here. And it is what we posted right here in the subreddit. Then we added the post to a Google Docs file and sent ourselves via email. When I open my email, you can see the email notification that we're sending to ourselves right here with the link of the Reddit post that we added to a Google Docs file. You can see the title and the body of the post that we just generated right here using the simple automation that we created right here in Make. So our automation works perfectly. Here we're capturing our email address, topic, idea, or a short description of the content that we'd like to generate and post in Reddit. We're also capturing the subreddit. Then we are generating the title of the Reddit content and the body of the post is using Gemini. Then you're proceeding to post to submit the post in Reddit on a subreddit. We're also adding this Reddit post to a Google Docs file and sending ourselves a Reddit post via email. Now, if you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create using make.com, just comment down below in the comment section. If I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire automation or system from scratch using make.com. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.